Let's count the numbers, come and play. From 0 up to 10 today. Each one special, fun to know, with shapes and sounds that help us grow. Clap your hands and count with me. Let's learn numbers. 1, 2, 3. 0 is round just like a ring. No straight lines, not a thing. 1 is straight just like a tree, tall and thin as it can be. 2 is like a duck that swims, with a curvy neck and shiny wings. 3 has bumps like a bee's round eyes, 2 big loops like sunny skies. 4 has lines like a little chair, sit right down, take a care. 5 has a belly and a hat, looks like someone sitting flat. Let's count from 0 to 10. Say the numbers once again. Each one has a shape so cool. Come and learn them here in school. Let's count from 0 to 10. Sing along with all your friends. 6 has a tail and a little loop, looks like a cherry or a scoop. 7 is sharp like a slide so steep, down you go, wee! Don't fall asleep. 8 is stacked up, round and round, 2 snowballs rolling on the ground. 9 is a balloon that floats so high, with a string hanging down the sky. 10 is 1 and 0 side by side, together they're a happy ride. Now we know from 0 to 10.